I'm next. I'm a Ninja Turtle, dude.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, just what do you want?
I want. What's Jeopardy?
Yeah. Good show. Yeah.
I hate it.
Shut up, you faggot. I like that show. You like Family Feud?
No.
Just get out of here, man.
I want a Happy Meal and a Pop and a cheeseburger. Is that it?
Happy Meal comes with a cheeseburger. Do you want turd nuggets?
Yes, I want turd nuggets.
Okay, then.
And I want a milkshake.
Okay,
milkshakes are yummy.
Yummy. No, sir. I just hate doing this job. Just move along, sir.
What about my meal?
Die. Bye-bye. I hate Ninja Turtles.
I got my car fixed and I took a dump.
Yeah. I know.
Okay. Which way is Pizza Delight?
That way.
Thank you. There's explosives over here.
Ow.
Donald, are you okay?
Yeah. Looks like I broke my leg.
Oh, man.
Oh, my.
Okay,